Hey guys, it's Victoria Jovel with the Noble Agency, and I'm talking preparing your home to sell. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is clean and declutter. If you have a counter, kind of like I do, that you put your phone, your mail, all the things that you don't really want to think about it, you put it in a little corner to the side. You're gonna want to start cleaning that up and keeping things that you want. Second is to make any necessary repairs. So if you have a leaky faucet, if a shower head isn't properly put on, you'll want to make sure that that's taken care of before any buyers come to see the property. If you take any curtains down, you'll want to make sure that everything is patched up, so no holes in the wall. I have seen that if there are holes or just little minor things that you think, oh, it's just wear and tear, it really makes the buyer think twice before making an offer or even considering it seriously as an option to buy. Third, you'll want to neutralize your space. So if you have any bold colors like a bright red wall or a lime green wall, you'll want to make sure to paint over that if you can with a nice neutral color. As well as if you have a lot of pictures of you and your family around the house, you want to make sure that those are switched over when you can for showing some pictures with just generic plants, cacti, anything like that. Fourth is really if you have a vacant property. So if you have a vacant property, you're gonna want to invest in staging your home so the buyer doesn't have to use too much imagination on how they can use each space. It is improving your curb appeal. Now in Arizona, you think that you don't have to do too much, especially if you have desert landscaping in the front, but making sure that the front is immaculate. So no weeds, make sure the rocks are all put where they're supposed to be. Next thing is make sure that the lighting is on point at your property. Whether that's opening up your windows or turning on all the light, you'll want to make sure to brighten up every single space that you have. Remember, a well-prepared home will help you stand out against the rest and help you secure a quick and highest price possible sale. Follow me for more tips like this.